Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here, coming to you live from my garage. Actually, not live. So what we're going to do today here, before we get our final parts to reassemble the heating and air conditioning box for the DeLorean, is we're going to test the vacuum motors on the housing to make sure those all work well. We don't hear any hissing or anything like that. Because the last thing I want to do is get this all back together and find the blend doors don't open right, and we're going to get out ye old mighty vac. Hand vacuum pump here. We're going to take this little guy, plug it up here, and we're going to start with the big box. Let's get these out of the way. Okay, this is the box that the heater core sits in, and we've got this vacuum switch. Port 1 is disconnected right now because that's actually the main vacuum input or output. I'm not really sure how you would say that. That is probably, as a vacuum, that would be output A. Anyway, main vacuum line goes into here, and then the switch basically connects the main vacuum line internally to these various ports based on the selection. So what I'm going to do is put my vacuum line, this little nub, right into that switch port. Okay, and what I'm seeing now is I'm seeing this door swing closed inside the box. And then if I push this little guy here, we're going to watch that open. Okay, that one works. We've got these two doors here. And these two motors on the back control those two doors. So I'm going to plug it into that port. Flip this over so you can see it. Okay, there's a T here that you can't see that I'm going to just cover with my finger. Nice smooth operation. No hissing, no movement of the door. Release the vacuum, the door closes nice and smoothly. We're on this door. Nice, smooth operation. It's holding. Smooth release. See how these doors and the foam is missing off of these doors. Now, I actually sent a tech support question to DeLorean, and they are fantastic about getting back to you with good information. And asked them if I should be replacing this foam, and they say they do not. When they rehab these boxes, they don't bother with the foam. Apparently, it works fine without it, as long as you seal up the box real good. So we're just going to test this door, make sure it opens as well. This is the new one, so there shouldn't be any issue with that. That looks like a brand new vacuum motor, and it's fine. No hissing, stay put, let the vacuum out, door closes nice and smooth, no binding. Nothing wrong with that. It is ready to go back together as soon as the new heater core shows up. All right, we're back, and I believe what we have here is the heater core that we've been waiting on, so we can actually finish assembling this box. Heater core. As you can see, yesterday we got everything pretty much back together. I'm not gonna put the radio in just yet because I really think I'm gonna replace that radio. All right, we got the bench cleared off here. We're going to go ahead and finish up getting the DeLorean back into a drivable condition, get it up to the shop so we can get the Volkswagen in here and start on our project to see if we can make it not leak. First thing we're gonna do though is a leak test to make sure we are not putting coolant into a leaky system anywhere. Make sure all my fittings up front are tightened down and whatnot. We're gonna pressurize this up to about 10 PSI and we'll watch the gauge, but the old ear test, if we have a leak, we should be able to hear it. Let's see here. Tell you what, I think I hear a leak. Oh, I definitely hear a leak. And it's back here. It's not even where we disconnected. If I were a betting man, I'd say it's coming from that hose. This is the old stethoscope method here. Just got a piece of hose. I'm gonna run it. Yep, definitely coming from around the edge of that hose. Get this guy on it. Okay, I've got that on the 10. I'm not hearing anything back here anymore. Not hearing anything there. Let's go up front. Don't hear anything there. Listen at 10. I think we've got a sealed system. Hey, we're on our way home from the shop now in ice cold air conditioning. Thanks for watching. That's going to do it for this episode. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.